Hello Bladers! So you just booked your favorite staycation on your favorite app this long weekend. You search the location on your GPS application. It's a 5-hour drive. Whether it is a road trip with families and friends, you should be prepared in case your car breaks down. Welcome to our daily drive. Everyday tips for everyday drivers. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. As you load your bags and other things for your long road trip, you should check out the trunk of your vehicle for these items. Here are 3 basic necessities every driver should have. Number 1, heavy-duty, jump starter wires or booster cables. It consists of a pair of insulated wires of sufficient capacity, with alligator clips at each end, to interconnect a disabled battery or vehicle with an auxiliary source, such as another vehicle or equipment with the same system voltage, or to another battery. Number 2. Hydraulic bottle jack. This is used to lift cars, if you get a flat tire or any broken car problems. The physics applied behind a hydraulic bottle jack follows Pascal's principle. It simply signifies that the liquid inside a container is incompressible, that results in similar pressure within a container at each point. Get the right ton for your vehicle so it saves you the trouble. Number 3. Tool set. Hello MacGyver, you should always be prepared with having a set of car tools readily available, as you do not know when you will need it. Each tool has a specific purpose for the machines of your car, so best to always have something to rely on when things go south. Do you agree with our list? Comment down below so we can discuss it. Road trips are always fun. If they push through, there will come a time you will experience setbacks on the road. Make sure you are prepared with a solution. After watching this video, make sure you check out the trunk of your vehicle for these items. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.